Okie dokie. Let's see what our little friends have been up to. Okay. Nice little mess we have here. Somebody had fun today. Uh-huh. What did you guys do? A rainy day with nothing to do outside? So, what did you do? Oh my, with Mommy's potty soil. Oh my. Well, at least you left the garden tools alone. You left Mommy's plant on the table. That's good. That's good. You made sure you didn't get the wrong things. You could have did worse. You could have done worse. I look at that face. Look at that face. What did you do? What did you do? Huh?